Hello friends, let me introduce myself. I am Subhash Yadav, age 63 year plus. Today I want to share my long distance running experience for the last almost 8 years. It was way back in 2016 that I decided to participate in some running event. Though earlier I used to run a kilometer or two or even three. Then I decided to participate and I registered for Universal Marathon for 10K run. It was a challenge for me because I have never gone for 10K earlier. I trained myself and I competed in that race for 10K, though it was painful and hard, no doubt. But still, I crossed my finish line with a time of 56 minutes plus. Thereafter, I was very excited. I used to go further. Wanted to participate in some other event also. So next year in 2017, I participated in Universal Marathon, which was conducted in Gurugram in Sector 29. There, it was again, I was worried about that. It was very difficult for me to complete 10K. How I am going to complete this 21K run? I did it, and time was not so good. I clocked almost 1 hour 56 minutes plus. I was somewhat disappointed, but happy also that at least I have completed the 21 kilometers, the distance of half marathon. But I wanted to go further. I was excited and I was hungry also for some good timing. So in 2018, again I registered for MAT Marathon Gurugram. It was also conducted in 29 sector, and the course was through golf course, underpass, and then going to sector 54 and then again turning back. Course was not flat, it was somewhat down and up and down and up. I tried my best, I put my best of efforts. I wanted to improve my time, and in that event I crossed my finish line with a time of 1 hour 42 minutes plus. I was somewhat happy but not satisfied. I still wanted to improve. I still wanted to do something special. So again next year in 2019, I registered for Airtel Half Marathon Delhi, which is now known by the name of Vedanta Half Marathon Delhi. I participated in that. Crowd was great. Everything was fine. And then there the course was through Rajpath and going to Connaught Place, Outer Circle, and then coming back. It was nice, flat course, and I did my best. I tried my best, and I clocked 1 hour 39 minutes and 59 seconds. Great. I was placed fourth in my age category of 55 to 59 years age category. I was satisfied. I was also happy, but still that my mind didn't accept it. I said I want to improve. People do so much hard work. Then unfortunately COVID was there, outdoor activities were all not possible. Thereafter, in 2022, again I participated in Vedanta Half Marathon Delhi, which earlier was by the name of Airtel Half Marathon Delhi. I participated in that, and still timing was not so good. I clocked 1 hour 40 minutes and some seconds. I was a little bit disappointed that instead of improving my time, it has again shoot up. But here keeping patience, doing work consistently pays in the long run. I trained for that year. I especially went through international coaches and runners' advices, their training plans, their recommendations, how they train themselves, and from there I gathered lot of information. I did R&D, and I became quite aware, and I was confident also that I must improve my time. So in 2023, that is last year, I had an opportunity again to participate in Vedanta Half Marathon Delhi, and there I clocked 1 hour 37 minutes and 55 seconds. It was somewhat improvement there, and I was happy also, but still not convinced. I want to do something more. Then same year, that is last year in 2023, I got an opportunity to participate in honor run conducted by Indian Army in the honor of Kargil War. That was on December 10, 2023. I participated in that disciplined run, good course, and I was excited to do something extra. And so there I finished my I crossed my finish line with a time of 1 hour 34 minutes and 31 seconds, which is my personal best as on date. And I was placed first in my age category with a prize money of 35,000. I was really happy, but still I want to do something more. So this year I am training for improving my time. Something you have to adopt in life. You have to be honest to yourself. It's very clear. And for hard work, there is no alternate. You have to sweat it out. Suppose here I am training for long distance running, so you have to bear that pain. You have to adapt to that thing, and that if you are ready to do that thing, if you are ready to accept challenges, if you are ready to challenge your body, I think that pays in the long run. Being consistent and keeping patience do pay in the long run. So friends, it was my story of starting my long distance running and coming to this stage. Hope you have enjoyed this. Happy running. Bye.